Okay, here is the 10 frame horizontal sunshine slider, and as you can see, they are divided into 10 frames. All your layers are over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to just click on the first frame, and then you're going to go get a horizontal photo that you want to add. And I just click on the background, drag it right onto it. It's a clipping mask, so you hit Control T to adjust the size, or Command T on a Mac. I'm a PC gal myself, and you just fit it into the size you want. You can do make sure there's no orange showing, and then just hit enter. And there's your first image. Now I'm going to go get my second image. I'm going to click on the background. This is a big wide. It takes up 2 frames, so I want to find like a far away shot. I'll use this one. This is going to be the background for that image. Control T, adjust it to where I want it. Like so. Now I know the other squares are kind of covering them up, but the cool thing is you can move those. So I'm going to hit enter. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this one, and since it's too big, I'm going to hit Control T, and I'm going to adjust it to where I want it. Like that. Now I'm going to go find another horizontal image. That'll be cute. And I'm going to drag it over and put it in that one. And sometimes when you put them in like that, you see, oh, maybe like a really tight shot would be really cute, and you can, you know, maybe just her face. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. But it's about a maternity session, so I'm going to get some belly in there too. Maybe a little bit more belly. I like that. It looks good. Hit enter. So same with this one. This one's kind of covering her up, right? So if I want, I can just come down here and I can just turn that one off. And then I can click on this one. And you just hit the eyeball key and it just mutes that one. So now here's another vertical one. Let's grab this one's good. Control T. Make it to where you like it. Get everybody in there. Hit enter. Alright, I'm going to continue to fill the rest of these up, and I'll be back to show you how. Okay, so I have filled up all my slides, and I am ready to export it. First, I'm going to zoom in and just take a closer look. Make sure that there's no color showing, that all the images are lined up correctly, and it looks awesome. So now I'm going to go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. It's going to bring up this screen. You want to make sure your quality is at 100%. You leave all this stuff alone. Make sure it's a JPEG, and you hit Save. Now it's going to ask you where you want to save it, and I have already saved it, so it saves it in an Images folder right there. And then you're good.